Welcome to Real Life Investing. This is Al getting in contact with you guys today. Going to be talking about some Zebec. Well, the Zebec fell for a little while. It looks like it's on the way back up. Let's go ahead and see what's going on for the one day right now. Currently, it is up about 3%. For the 7 days, Zebec is down 17%. And for the month, Zebec is down 19%, almost 20%. On the year, I think it's way up. Yeah, 300 something percent or whatnot. So, and overall, I think it is, yeah, just up by 55%. So this definitely gives us a lot of room to run and a lot of room to grow with Zebec. Also consider the fact that the market cap itself is, let us see, about 350 million. And so it's not out of control, so to speak. Zebec is definitely going to be worth multiple billions. So this is the thing that we have to consider. So the good part about it is, like I said before, there was a nice little dip in the month. So as you notice, there was a 19% dip. So that brings it down from where it was before. So I remember we were talking about getting it at under 0.5. Now we can get it at under 0.004, as a matter of fact. Maybe not long, but at the same time, while that dip is still in effect, it's definitely be a great time to dollar cost average. But whatever we say on the channel, it's not financial advice. However, if you like what you see today, we just ask you to like and subscribe to us. We are excited about Zebec, and we're also excited about our channel. So let's just go ahead and keep it moving and take a look at some of this other good material. Let's see, circulating supply looks really good, so we don't have to worry about anything in that regard. No inflation to be concerned about. Now, let's see what's going on with the other cryptos as well. Ethereum is at 4,300, Bitcoin at 110, XRP is under $3. So for those who really have their average maybe above three, might be a good opportunity to DCA on that as well. But there's a lot of good things happening. And like I said before to some of you guys, I said for the month of September, at the very beginning, I do feel that we're going to have some dips and some more dips. So keep that in mind. Until we get that quantitative easing, I don't think we're going to see any aggressive investments. Just a thought. But just a heads up on that. So be careful of how you operate. We got fear and greed, so we're definitely in fear right now. Market cap is at 3.73 trillion. So something to consider in that regard. Altcoin season, I think we're right in the middle. We definitely have to, well, at least right on the edge. We definitely are going to be looking for some good things to happen in the middle of September. Hopefully September the 17th, when the meeting occurs, we'll be getting that rate cut as far as the 0.25 on the basis. So we shall see what's going on in that regard. Let's go ahead and Bitcoin dominance is going to be at 57.8%. Ethereum is going to be at 13.8%, and others is at 28.4%. So something to consider here. Bitcoin dominance is going down, not going down tremendously, but yet it still is going down. Ethereum was in the 14s, now it's kind of 13.8. So things are kind of rangy at the moment, but nothing really crazy. Let's talk some more about Zebec, though. Notice right here, you got this wonderful American flag, noticing that Zebec is made in the USA. They're giving us a lot of nice information about Zebec. And so now let's go ahead and take a look at Zebec's milestone. Zebec is now SOC2 compliant. SOC stands for System and Organization Controls. And so right here, this is, how can I say, a lot of security and trust. So Zebec Network, we got Gate Knox. It's going to be September the 1st, 2025. Milestone was reached. SOC2 compliant. This is going to be AICPA, stands for the American Institute of CPA, Certified Public Accountants. So just a heads up, independent auditor. Wow. Hey, these guys really must have done their work. So they did a great job on that. So Zebec is going to be, let's see, infrastructure security, product security, organizational security, internal security procedures, data, and privacy. So they are compliant in all these areas. So to be honest with you, Zebec is kind of like reading a winner's information and just watching him win. So it's nothing, how can I say, it's nothing too hard to do as far as talk about winners. And so we'll just talk about Zebec all the time. So let's see. Say join us September the 3rd, they say, for ecosystem spaces highlighting a new blockchain integrations across Zebec network. So Zebec just keeps building and growing and developing, and that is all extremely positive. Now, just a heads up on that. Now, take a look at what's going on here. Zebec is headed to Frankfurt, Germany, right? This is for the CBOS 2025 conference, taking place from September the 29th to October the 2nd. So it says we'll be in the room with some of the biggest names in global finance to push forward the conversation on stablecoins, payments, and more. So it says reaching, what's this, attending CBOS. So, just keep in mind this CBOS is in Frankfurt, Germany this year. Frankfurt being the financial capital of and financial heart, I would say, of Germany, and Germany being the financial and industrial heart of Europe right now. So just a heads up, this is going to be one of the most important events of the year with some of the biggest names in all of finance. So I'm looking at the who's who of what's going on here. And so keep that in mind. So, wow, this is crazy. Bank of America, Bank of China, Barclays, Wells Fargo, Swift, Deutsche Bank. Uh, this is going to be really good. What, Microsoft, Chainlink, JP Morgan. Whew, looks like MasterCard is going to be there. Visa. Whoa. Just saying, guys, going to be a big one. So keep that in mind. Zebec is going to be there to talk about a lot of their great things as well. So let's see if there's anything else we want to put here. I think we've pretty much got everything we want out of this information here. So let's keep it moving a little bit. Talk about Zebec some more as far as the website. Never showed this part, but I'm going to show this today. And some of you guys have already seen this. Fusing Web 2 and Web 3 technology and bringing blockchain to everyday life. Talking about getting real-time payroll, get paid by the second. I really like the information that I see down here. It talks about removing the headache around payroll, pause, cancel, or adjust the stream at any time. Fewer holdups, fewer errors, encrypted and distributed. Send to a wallet of your choice. That would be nice. Off ramp to your bank account. So right here it talks about the wage link payroll app. So transforming payroll, get paid sooner. Draw a portion of your paycheck before payday. Now that would be awesome. I think a lot of people feel like they have to worry about time and like, okay, this bill has to be paid this time, this bill has to be paid that time. But if you go with Zebec, you can get a little bit with one of their, how can I say, you get paid a little bit earlier. I'm just gonna say this is what I'm seeing here. Choose how you get paid, send money abroad. So Zebec has a lot of options, and many of these things are coming from the app. So, and of course, the technology, Zebec network. Let's go a little bit further, look at some more at the Zebec information here. Do not forget, and I remind you, 50,000 monthly users, 250 payroll enterprise clients, $1 billion of payroll volume, 138 countries. So Zebec is moving and is doing its thing. So keep that in mind, guys, if you want to deal with Zebec. Zebec cards are also very important to look at here. So Zebec has teamed up with MasterCard. It's talking about we have our cards prioritize your privacy and are accepted worldwide anywhere MasterCard is accepted. So that's basically worldwide, period. So you got your Apple Pay, your Google Pay. You have the Zebec Silver card, which is going to work out pretty well. What's this, $1? No, not $1. $1,000 a day. The Carbon card is up to $10,000 a day. And there is an application down here for a Black card, which is if you're looking to spend more than $10,000 per day. So Zebec has a lot of, how can I say, great setups for payments. Zebec is doing its thing. Might want to consider, how can I say, joining the particular time right now. This is doing pretty god doggone good. Now let's go a little bit further. We got some partners for Zebec. We want to keep this in mind. Yeah, so keep this in mind. Let me get this squared away, show you that here. Uh, JP Morgan, Bank of America, Visa, MasterCard, CodaPay, Assure, Aspire. Maybe I should have said Assure. Let's see, Anthropic, Mural, PayBridge, let's see, School Payroll Services, Wavelink, Solana, Circle, Stellar, Stanford Crypto, IPA, Near, Celestia, Binance, Base, Ethereum, JP Morgan. So listen, big time names. Just saying, we already have talked about this several times, but Zebec is the great part about Zebec is the fact that you know that you're not dealing with something that has not been vetted over and over again by many multiple multi-billion dollar companies. So Zebec is really doing extremely well in a lot of ways. And the thing about it is the stock, I almost said stock price, but the crypto price is also going to be doing well. I'm noticing that this thing is easing on a probably going to be over 0.004 sometime soon. And also with the good news that has just come out, and let me just put that on the screen one more time. For the good news that has just come out about Zebec, as far as like right here, milestone reached, SOC 2 compliant. So you're going to see some positive momentum for Zebec, hopefully for a while. Don't forget, the quantitative easing is not going to take place until the middle of September. So if you see another dip in Zebec, do not be dismayed because of the fact that until there is liquidity in the markets, there will not be the stock market. Well, I'm sorry. I must be sleepy this morning. I apologize, guys. But there will not be the crypto market push that we are looking for. All right. This is Al with Real Life Investing. Like I said, it's wonderful to talk about a winner. Zebec is easy as far as stress-free, just a matter of DCAing in and just holding on for the ride. Take care. You guys have a good one. Bye. Please share, like, comment, and subscribe to Real Life Investing. And thank you for watching.